Integrating Afterpay into your business can be a great way to increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. To get started, you will need to sign up for an Afterpay merchant account and agree to their terms and conditions. Once you have been approved, you can begin the integration process. First, you will need to choose an integration method. Afterpay offers several options, including a pre-built plugin for popular e-commerce platforms, a customizable API, and a hosted payment page. Choose the method that best fits your business needs. Next, you will need to configure your Afterpay account settings. This includes setting up your store information, payment terms, and settlement details. Make sure to carefully review and test your settings to ensure they are accurate and working correctly. Afterpay also offers several customization options to help you tailor the payment experience to your brand. You can customize the look and feel of the Afterpay payment button, as well as the language and messaging used during the checkout process, to ensure a smooth checkout experience for your customers. Make sure to test your Afterpay integration thoroughly. Test different payment scenarios, including successful payments, declined payments, and cancellations. This will help you identify and fix any issues before they affect your customers. It is also important to consider the fees associated with using Afterpay. Afterpay charges a small fee on each transaction, which is typically a percentage of the sale amount plus a fixed fee. Make sure to factor these fees into your pricing and profit calculations to avoid any surprises. Finally, make sure to comply with Afterpay's terms and conditions, as well as any relevant laws and regulations. This includes providing clear disclosure of the Afterpay payment terms and conditions to your customers, and ensuring that your business practices are fair and transparent. By following these tips and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay into your business and start offering your customers the flexibility and convenience of buy now, pay later payments. With Afterpay, you can increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, and stay competitive in today's fast-paced retail landscape.